I'll guide you through fixing the frustrating Please Unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed without wasting time on fixes that won't work. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. The most common cause is a widespread Cloudflare service disruption, meaning this is a server-side issue, not your fault. This error means the server is temporarily blocking legitimate users due to its security mechanisms. If you encounter this error, first verify the problem source by visiting the official Cloudflare Status Page at cloudflarestatus.com. If an outage is confirmed, you must wait, as your local fixes will not work. But if the network is green, the issue is on your end, likely a browser conflict. Open an incognito or private window to diagnose if an extension is a culprit. Now, temporarily disable all browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Next, clear all cookies and cache data for the specific websites to delete corrupt session data. If that fails, temporarily turn off your VPN or proxy because your IP address may be flagged as suspicious. Finally, power cycle your router for 60 seconds to try and obtain a new clean IP address. These steps should fix the error of Please Unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.